Okay, so here is the next task. I'm currently building some system that can create landing page. It's kind of a web application, and it's under development, but we can still work on this because there is some things that I need as regarding the text and font and everything like that. So let's start with the font. I want to use the font of Open Sans. It's a web font. I want to use web font so I can edit it later. Okay, and every place there is a text, except here in the logo. Every place there is a text. Okay, and I want to be that I can edit it by myself later on. So meaning that I want it to be a web font and not an image. For example, this, this, this we can leave it as it is. No need to change it. But this text can be used with a web font. For example, this uh, for this and this for this, and also the font of and also the text need to be in Open Sans on the button itself. Okay, the button here, and also the text below the button. Same for text here and the text here and the text here. Actually, everything need to be in this font except the logo. Now, if you click here, you go to some thank you page. Okay, same like here. It needs to be a text except this one. Okay, except this one. Same here on the bottom. Same here. Everything need to be a text. A web Open Sans. Yeah. Same here. Open Sans. Same font. Now, if you click on this one, and you open it in a white screen, you see the steps of creating the landing page. Okay, so basically here this text need to be in Open Sans. Same here, and also here this is step 1 in Hebrew. This also need to be in web font of Open Sans. Everything Open Sans, this one and this one. And what I want is also kind of a button, okay, with the text inside, like something in this size that it's written there. I will put it in Hebrew, but you can put it here in English in the meantime. Something like for instruction, click uh, for video, click here, or instruction video, click here. What I want to do for each step, because it's composed of steps, each to create a landing page. Each steps, you go to the next one, you fill the description, meta tag, blah blah blah, and I want to have a button here that will open a pop-up window, like you click on this and you see a screenshot, something like that, like in this size. Yeah, and I want to place a video instruction. So each step will have its own video. Okay, so the button need to trigger different kind of different window each time. It's not need to be the same. Okay, different video because each step is going to be different step. Now let's go back to the font. Open Office, Open Sans, yeah, need to be also here. And what I want from you, you see the arrow here, the arrow need to be here because the direction is here. So if you can change it, and also the font need to be Open Sans web font. Same for the other steps here. Okay, everything here need to be font. This is not an image. This is in Hebrew step 2. It is also need to be a web font, so I can change everything here. Open Sans here, and here it's fine. You don't have to change the web font here. It's fine. Here also previous steps. It need to be web font. Same for here. Same for here. Same font here. Next step. Here. Here. And when you do it, it needs to be like the same, you know, a bold here and not bold here, you know, something that will be look like a bit the same, you know. It will not be the same font, but it have to be something alike. Okay, this also can be font, web font, Open Sans. And this button, it's ugly. Okay, so the finish button, I don't know, maybe at least you can do something like that in red, but the size of the button will look like the same as this button, because these buttons look a bit big. Okay, this is finish button, also need to be a web font, Open Sans. And now finish, same here, also keep the color the same, green. Same for here, same for here, same for here. All need to be web font. This button you can remove, so please remove this button from this area. Okay, that's all. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you. Bye bye.